In this video, I'm going to show you how to play LAN multiplayer on crafting and building. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you and all of your friends are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It is not going to work without that. So that does mean that you and your friends need to be within close proximity to each other, ideally in the same room or in the same household or anything like that. But anyways, the next thing you want to do is you want to press on play just like so. Then you guys can load into a pre-existing world or create a new world if you want to. But what you want to do is you want to go to the pen icon over here to one of your worlds, and you're going to get the same menu when you try creating a world, by the way, so do not worry. And what you want to do is you want to go to the left menu, scroll down until you see multiplayer, then make sure that multiplayer game is turned on and scroll down a little bit more and make sure that visible to LAN players is also turned on. And that is going to allow you to play on LAN with you and all of your friends. So once you have that setting turned on, then you're able to go ahead and load into the world like you normally would. All right, guys, and here we are in our world. And now whenever your friend loads into crafting and building and they go to the world menu, they should see your LAN game as an option. And then from there, they're able to go ahead and actually join you. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.